Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing an MCQ for 1 mark from the Cbse Supplementary Exam 2025. Now, Raina is 1.5 meter tall. At an instant, his shadow is 1.8 meters long. At the same instant, the shadow of a pole is 9 meters long. How tall is the pole? Okay, so there are two objects here. There is this pole which is whose height we are trying to find out. And there is Raina who is 1.5 meters tall. Okay, and the lengths of their shadows at a particular instant is Raina casts a shadow of 1.8 meters long, which means this length is 1.8 meters, and the pole casts a shadow of 9 meters. So this length is 9 meters. And we have to find the height of the pole, which I'm taking as h. Okay, let me mark the triangles as A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, so now in triangle ABE and triangle CDE, I know that angle ABE is equal to angle CDE is equal to 90 degrees. Now, why is it 90 degrees? Because both these objects are standing erect. Okay, now we also know that angle AEB is equal to angle CED because it's a common angle. Okay, now because of AA similarity, the triangle ABE now becomes similar to triangle CDE by AA similarity rule. Okay, and therefore we know that AB by CD is equal to BE by DE is equal to AE by CE. Why? Because corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Okay, now we know the length AB is h. So h divided by CD, which is 1.5, is equal to BE, which is 9, divided by DE, which is 1.8. So from this, we know that h is equal to 9 into 1.5 divided by 1.8. Let me multiply the numerator and denominator with 10. So I would have 9 times 15 divided by 18. 9 goes 2 times here. So the value of h is 15 by 2, which is 7.5 meters. So the correct option here will be option B. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.